Hello everyone, welcome back to our new lesson, and today we are going to learn how to use the phrase according to. Many of the learners all over the world sometimes make mistake when they use this phrase according to. So let's see if you do or if you make the same mistake. Okay. According to. Well, according to is used to introduce, right? To introduce, to talk about, to present something, what another person said. So someone said something and that person showed or expressed his feeling about something. Okay. So an example may look like this one. According to Ronnie, the training course was a waste of time. So this is what Ronnie thinks. He thinks that the training course was a waste of time. It wasn't necessary. It was a waste of time, money, and energy. So this is what Ronnie thinks. Okay, that is why we have used according to, right? According to. Okay, is the phrase. And on the other hand, to introduce your own opinion. So when you are talking about yourself, when you are talking about your own opinion, right? Which one do you use or should you use? According to me, or in my opinion, or I think. This is where learners sometimes make mistake. Sometimes they use according to me, but it is incorrect. When you are talking about your opinion, you shouldn't use according to. Rather, you should use either of them. In my opinion, or I think. Either is fine, no problem. In my opinion, or I think, but no according to me. According to me. Okay, so let's look at an example. According to me, the training course was a waste of time. So you can see that I'm talking about my opinion, right? I'm giving my opinion, so it's incorrect. Next one, in my opinion. So that is absolutely correct. In my opinion, the training course was a waste of time. Okay, so this is all about according to. If you want to talk about, it's okay. If you want to talk about other person's opinion or feeling, you should say according to them, according to, it could be any organization, right? Or it could be any team, okay? But if you want to talk about your opinion, your feeling, you should never use according to. You should use in my opinion or I think. Well, that's all about according to. I hope you understood the lesson, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.